The 2026 BMW M2 is a compact, high-performance coupe that delivers raw driving excitement, muscular performance, and a driver-focused character. Power comes from a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine, producing 473 horsepower and 406 pound-feet, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, or optional automatic on some trims. Price range: $69,375 to $99,775. Fuel economy: 16 miles per gallon city and 23 miles per gallon highway. Inside, it offers a sporty, driver-oriented cabin with M Sport seats and performance-tuned layout, delivering a focused driving experience rather than plush luxury. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit the bell so you're always in the driver's seat. See you in the next ride.